Hello everybody. What we got here today is a Madison, a Uniden Madison, and this is for Doug up in Maine. Doug asked me to clean this radio up, tune it up, get everything just right and perfect on it, and maybe not quite OEM, but as OEM as he can get. He wants to keep it in pristine condition. So this is what we got, Doug. We took in, repaired both meters, aligned, of course, the S meter, the RF meter, the modulation meter, and the SWR, and there's an AWI indicator here. We aligned that for a perfect 3-to-1 SWR. When we aligned your AMC, which is your AM audio, there's no adjustment on the AM audio on this radio, so we added a circuit inside that has an adjustment to it so that we can put it to where we wanted it. Same thing with the voltage circuit on this particular chassis. They don't give you a voltage adjust, they just stick it at like 13.6. And I installed the voltage adjust circuit as well so that it could get in right about 13.9, 14 volts. Okay, now up here on this watt meter, Doug, I got 10 watts across the top. We set it right like you wanted, factory 4 watts. And over here, maybe a little over factory.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2.
Oh, I'm sorry. On this meter, we have a 50 watt slug. 10 and there's 20. So she was coming in at about 17 there.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio.
And on sideband.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Looks really good. See if you can hear it without a bunch of feedback. I'll turn the mic down.
Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check.
Yeah, I guess not. Okay, turned it in a little bit better there.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio.
That was upper sideband. We'll put it back on AM. Put it on. How about at channel 19? Can I get a radio check? I think I heard someone way out there give me that radio check. Appreciate it. Of course, with all this noise, everybody sounds way out there, Cabot. Hey, Mudslinger. Yeah, how's this radio sound?
Keep on talking.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice and clean. What kind of mic are you using?
RF Limited CR577.
Right, stock radio?
Just barely above.